Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming OneDrive is active and you're signed into the correct account. This prevents unlinking the wrong profile. Once done, open the OneDrive icon in the taskbar or system tray and choose Help and Settings to reveal preferences. Make sure you've identified the exact folder to stop syncing, because this next action will change local and cloud behavior. You're now positioned to change sync settings safely. Keep the OneDrive window open and proceed to selective sync options. You'll go to Settings, then Account, and choose Folders so OneDrive shows the list of synced folders. Once visible, uncheck the specific folder or subfolders you no longer want on your PC. This tells OneDrive to stop syncing them locally while retaining cloud copies. After unchecking, click OK or Confirm and let OneDrive apply the change. You'll see it start removing local copies. Make sure to watch for any error messages and don't interrupt the sync process. You finish by verifying the folder is gone from your local OneDrive folder while remaining accessible via OneDrive Online. That confirms a stop to local syncing. If files seem missing entirely, check the OneDrive recycle bin and version history online before panicking, because accidental deletes can be recovered. Finally, if the sync status doesn't update, restart OneDrive or sign out and back in to force a refresh. If problems persist, temporarily pause syncing and then resume.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.